Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you the differences between null, undefined, and none in JavaScript. Let's begin now. Hello and welcome back again. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use null, undefined, and none in JavaScript, or at least I'm going to give you the meaning of these three most confusing words or data types in JavaScript for most beginners. So on my desktop here, I have an app.js file and an index.html where we are going to test our code so that we understand what each and every one of these words or data types means in JavaScript. So I'm going to begin with the first one, which is null. Null in JavaScript is absence of value that is explicitly set by the programmer or the person writing the code. So we can create a variable like let some number be equal to null, or let me make this more interesting. Let's just give it x because a number might create a confusion. So I would like to console log this so that we see what's happening. So that's going to give us a null value. So it gives us null. But if you were to check the type of this using the type of, it's going to be an object. Null is an object in JavaScript. So it's an object. Null is when you explicitly set a value to be null. So that's null in JavaScript. It's a data type that you might use when you don't have a defined value for a specific variable, but in the course of the script, you're going to define it. The second one is undefined. So undefined means we have created the variable, but you have not given it the value. So we can console log this, then to see what happens. It's going to give us undefined because we have created it but not given it the value. But if you gave it a value like a number, which is 30, it would log the number. And if we tried to test it, like using the type of, to find the type of that object or variable, that would give us a number. But now if we don't set it like that, it gives us the type of to be undefined. The last one of these three is none, which is equal to not a number. So this often occurs when you're doing mathematical calculations, like you can say let number be equal to 5. Then you can have let a string be equal to hello. If now I try to divide, like if I did something like let answer be equal to, then I do number divided by or multiplied or by string, then I console log this. If I console log this value, it's going to return not a number, none. Surprisingly, if I do type of, then I check this, it will return a number, gives us a number. So do not forget that bit. So those are the differences between null, undefined, and not a number. Also, you get not a number when you divide 0 by 0. Suppose we have 0 divided by 0, then we console log this. It gives us none because that's not practical. 0 divided by 0 is not possible. So that's the differences between null, undefined, and none. So once you come across this in your console, for null, it means that variable has been set as null in the script in this manner. Then undefined, it simply means the value has not been given, has not been assigned. Then none means like you're doing mathematical calculation between a string, suppose, or some data type that's not a number. So I hope you found this useful, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Thank you. I hope by the end of this video, you've learned the difference between null, undefined, and none in JavaScript. If you enjoyed this video, kindly consider supporting us by giving this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.